Just me and you, ooh, baby. Just me and you, just the two. Just me and you.
Hey, it's Danielle, aka the Carefree Natural, and in this video I'll show you how to do triangle braids using the rubber band method. This is about 2 weeks after I originally washed and blow dried my hair. I posted that video earlier, so you can check that out. But if you want to learn how to get this look, please make sure to keep watching.
Hey Hazel. So yeah, she's gotten started. My resident hairdresser, pretty much. So you can.
Amateur hairdresser.
Okay, you can. Well, I guess you're part in it now, but you can talk through it maybe. I'm gonna try to get the angle. Is that the right angle?
Let's see. Yeah.
So I wanted pretty big sections, so I had 4 rows and then 1 middle section. You can see the back 2 rows right here. So you want to make sure to part into triangular sections. You want to start on the ends, which is what people will see really. So you want to make sure that those are neat and looking as good as possible. So starting from the outside on each side and then kind of work your way in. I think that way is probably the easiest. And you need to have an odd number of triangles so it can go up, down, up, you know. So here you can see the middle section I was talking about. That's kind of bounded by the 2 rows in the back and the 2 rows in the front. So where those meet, it comes to a point, which is the one she's sectioning off now. So just start on the outside and make triangles and work your way inside just like the other rows. So basically this section is me not knowing what I was doing. I wasn't putting the edge control on it really smooth, but I think what I did manage to accomplish was sectioning it in a better way than what it was. Before it was 9 sections, and that made them too small for what I was going for, and I didn't want to have so much stress on my edges, so I rather them be bigger sections. I think the way that I looked at how she parted it across, and she parted it more like that. And so that side, even though this one's not very much of a triangle, it's kind of triangle that way, but it helped keep this bearing for that one.
Okay. So I am applying the, what is it called?
Edge control.
Edge control.
Like argan oil.
Okay, and it smells really good too. So I'm just applying it so that the hair lies flat. So Danny has a lot of like very thick hair. So if I'm just to put the rubber band without the edge control, it would not lie very flat. It was kind of like a trial and error. But it's pretty simple once you get it.
And the parting was like,
Yeah.
stupid. I don't know.
So
Checking back in.
alright, so we're almost done. Only the front row is left. So Danny just wanted to me to show you guys a bit about how we prep the hair. So the hair has been cut, and then I pull off the ends so that it's not like jagged. I don't really know how to describe it.
It's
but
not
it
blunt
looks
at the
thinner.
end.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it looks thinner, so that way the braids will actually hold as you're braiding down, because the thicker it is, the easier it is to unravel.
Gotcha.
And it'll be more thin at the end, like
Yeah.
that. It won't
Yes.
it won't all be the same thickness. So I forgot how long this one is, but it's like the expressions hair is 1B.
Yeah.
It's like we're on 3 packs right now. I
Yeah.
thought that it would be enough. Well,
Yeah, I
Thought-
thought we'd only need 2.
yeah. So you attach your hair.
Yep. And then just braid it down. So I actually like the fact that we already had the hair sectioned.
Yeah.
I don't even need a comb because I always lose the comb when I'm braiding.
Yeah.
So right now I don't even need it. Just braid and go.
Mhm. And then I always like hold it so it's not
Is
so
it painful?
yeah, especially like on the edges.
Yeah.
And just
And then I just braid it down. Danielle tried to help. She was doing a terrible job.
I thought I did okay.
No, she was doing a great job. It's just difficult to like hand it over when it has lost some of the tension. So
Yeah. She would like start it and I try to finish the rest of the way down. Cause I can braid, but I can't like cornrow. Cornrow. That's gonna be my next video, or not next, but one of the other videos.
Yeah.
So she's teaching me how to do that. Hey, so finished product. So yeah, we dipped it in water, boiling water after it was all said and done. And this is how it came out. I like it a lot. So yeah. Hey, so you guys saw the finished product, but this is even about 2 weeks after. I think it looks really nice still. The parts and everything are still clean. My hair hasn't grown that much in these 2 weeks. I even had like a photo shoot today, so I wanted to be like Wakandan chic or whatever, even though I got these pants from Japan. But yeah, so I definitely love the rubber band method. I think that it is a lot better than the other method. Without the rubber band, I've only got my hair braided twice. This is the second time, but it was definitely a lot less tension on my hair. I could move my head around and it not hurt so much because it was a lot looser. And I think I forgot to mention earlier that I added these little jewels, you can get at the regular beauty supply store. I put them all over. I think I have about 10. What I said earlier about my ends being like kind of puffy, you could see it a little bit. For example, like here, that's where the ends are. And what I did was, as much as I could, put the jewels over that to kind of camouflage it. So I think it looks really good still, despite that. And yeah, after 2 weeks, it still looks nice. I like the triangle braids. You can wear it in any other style, just like regular braids. So I think I would do it again, just maybe not be such a stickler on the geometry part, just let it flow. It's not that big of a deal. And so another thing, when my roommate got to about, right here, she would hand it to me so I could finish braiding it. So it might not be as clean at those places, but it got done faster. So, I'm not complaining. But I've seen people go through and they'll take scissors if they, if you care that much, and just go and cut off the little stray hairs that are kind of sticking up. I think the word is like dramaticist or something like that. That's what it reminds me of, like little jellyfish stingers. But I don't care that much. It's not that serious. I think the overall look looks nice. And then you can, take your Eco Styler gel and your toothbrush or your brush, whatever kind of brush you have, and just do your little baby hairs and style it, and you know, what have you. So definitely check it out. Try something new if you haven't done triangle braids before. Definitely recommend the rubber band method in doing so. So if you have any other questions about the process or about the products I use, just make sure to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe as well for more videos. Thanks.